Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a different kind of video, okay? It's gonna be a mukbang. I will be eating with you. You will be eating with me. But we're gonna put some meat on the grill. We're gonna have a barbecue. But before we get started, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There should be a little tiny red subscribe button right down here. Go ahead and hit that. Join the family. Here we go. Oh my God, look at here, look at here, look at here. Do you see what I have in my face? If you don't, let you know right now. We got some garlic bread going on, corn on the cob, 2 ribs right here that I cooked. You can't see this really, but I have a hot dog here, and I have one more rib that my boyfriend cooked. We're kind of having a cook-off to see which one's did the best, okay? So actually, let me get the camera real quick and show you the top view, okay? Tell me that don't look good. Okay, make sure you guys are secure. All right, so I'm quite hungry. We did a slow cook, and I have been cooking all day, as you already know. I'm ready to jump in. I think I'm going to take first bite of the hot dog. This is not a regular hot dog, you guys. This is Nathan's beef hot dog, and it's on a Hawaiian bun, a Hawaiian roll bun. Hopefully, am I cricket? There you go. And I just got some regular ketchup and mustard. I have to eat slow to make sure I can get all this in my belly. But the great thing about this hot dog, though, is the Hawaiian bread bun is sweet, and this Nathan is beef, so it's really salty. But I would like for you guys to take a moment and comment down below and tell me what you like on your hot dog and how you like your hot dog. That is so good. You guys need to try that combo. All right, so here's the garlic bread. This we bought from Albertsons. Not a big fan of this. I think this is going to make me too full, so I'm just going to set that aside. On to the corn on the cob. This was also slow cooked. My boyfriend cooked this one here. That's so good. This here is white sweet corn grilled on the grill with some butter, seasoned salt, a little bit of salt and pepper. Anyways, how was your day? How's your guys' day? Comment down below. Let me know how your day went. Nice cold ice water. Okay, here we go. We are getting ready to test the ribs out, okay? Let me show you what this looks like here. Kiki, stop trying to steal the show. These are pork ribs. This one's mine. This one's his. Looks delicious. Both of these look really, really, really good. I feel like he seasoned his well. Mine seasoned well. Here we go. Grand finale. Actually, I don't want to taste mine. Actually, let's taste his first. You can taste some good meat and some herbs. Some good flavor. I kind of like my ribs like this, just a little bit more like sweet barbecue sauce on it, just a little bit. Thumbs up. That was good. Sticky fingers. All right, let's clear the palate with some ice water. Cheers. All right, let's move on to one of mine. But before I eat mine, I just want to let you know that I'm not going to be just voting on mine because it's mine. So I'm just going to go for like how I really, really naturally feel. This reminds me of like wow. I don't know. I can't. This reminds me of when you go to a barbecue. This is the kind of barbecue ribs that they be having at the barbecues. I like it. I really thought mine was going to be like way more salty compared to his, But it's just totally different. That's just what it is. I think they're the same type of rib, pork ribs. I'm gonna switch back to his and see what kind of intake I got. I like the flavor. I love the flavor of his. Like overall, this is how I like my meat to taste. But when it comes down to barbecue ribs, I think mine won. Mine is a little bit more juicier and a little bit tender than his, but his got great flavor. I'm not going to knock him. He did a great job on his rib. My boyfriend likes relish on his hot dog. I am not a relish girl. It's so good. I'm going to finish my hot dog, and then I'm going to ask the rest of the family what they think about these ribs and who think they won. Or which one they like better. I think we both won because they both were great. But to see which one they like better. Oh, you're falling. I'm almost done with the corn. Brooklyn loves corn. She could walk around with corn all day. She actually prefers when I put the little corn huddles on the end. Okay, before I end this video, and I'm about to go finish my ribs off camera, but before I go, I must ask everybody which rib they prefer. Samani, which rib did you like the best?
I mean, I still eat on ear bone, but I mean, I like them both, but I think yours. I don't like the burnt on the barbecue, like on the rib. So like yours didn't have as much like burnt pieces on it. So I don't know. They're both good.
Marley, which one do you like better?
Yours.
James, which one do you like better?
Mine.
Okay, so in that vote, I got more votes than he did, so I guess mine was a little bit better, or what people prefer better. But I 100% am not knocking him. His ribs came out real good, okay, you guys? Trust me, it really did. Well, that's all, folks, that you're going to get today. If you need me to save you some ribs, I'll put it on a plate and send it to you. God, you know what you got to do. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Let me know how you like your hot dog. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
Bye.